there, J-Bud?
I'm excited to build a fire.
A little pretend campfire. Cool. Good morning, Beetle. How are you? Hello everyone, welcome back to Thousands of Roots. I am out in our addition today, our work in progress addition, trying to find a quiet spot to just do a quick little intro to this video. We knew going into last week that we weren't going to have time on our normal filming day this week, which is Sunday, because we were going to be away fellowshipping with some friends. So the beginning of last week, I asked the children to help us out by getting some video clips of some of the ups and the downs of our week last week. So I just wanted to say real quick how it is that we stay steady here on this homestead through the ups and downs, because there are both. We can't possibly share everything in the short videos we put up on YouTube with y'all, and we can't possibly know all of your ups and downs either, though we do think of you guys and pray for you often. But there's one who knows it all, sees it all, and is with us through it all, and that is our Creator Yahweh. And the way that we remain steady through it all is, instead of asking the question why would a good God, a loving God, cause bad things to happen? Instead, we choose to believe that our Creator works all things for the eternal good of as many people as He possibly can, without turning us all into puppets. Because He's not only just a loving God, He is love. He is the source of all love and all good. And in this world we will have troubles, but we can always take heart, because He has and He will completely overcome for us. So through those hard times, we remember that there's more to it than what we see, that there's a bigger purpose going on. And that because the Father loves us, He chose to not control us like puppets, and to give us the choice to love Him back. So in this video, you're gonna get to see a lot of the good things that happened through our past week, like our rocket mast system being built up brick by brick, new counters put on our countertop, lots of new life out there on the homestead. So there's lots of little ones running around, and that's been so fun to see. So hope you enjoy just a few clips from our past week, and be encouraged that we can walk steady even in this world through the ups and downs, because we have a Creator who is working for the good of as many as possible without controlling us, because He loves us.
We're letting the baby birds get rid of some bugs in the garden bed.
Alright, before we close out this video, I'll just share a quick little garden tip that I've learned through the ups and downs of gardening this year, and that is, in the future, I plan to not put out any little teeny tomato plants, and I start them all in these little teeny pots, but I'm going to, in the future, hopefully up pot them all to a 3 or 4 inch pot and let them just keep on growing in the greenhouse as long as it's not getting too crazy hot in there. And not plant them out into the garden until we're more certain that the really hard rains have passed and that the plants will then be hopefully strong enough to withstand the storms. So we didn't lose all of our little tomato plants in the garden, but we did lose a few, and the ones that are still out there are not really doing much at this point, so we'll see how it goes. Well, we pray blessings over you and yours through all the ups and downs of the life that you are living, and hope and pray that you find ways to be thankful in it all, because even though things happen in life that seem to have no possible good that could come from them, He can and will use them for good if we trust Him. So thanks for letting me share my heart today, guys. I know some of you are very anti-religion or anything related to Yahweh, but thank you for listening anyway and letting me share my heart with y'all today. And remember, whatever you do,
Do it with your whole heart.
yes.